Whoa, you guys are here. I just had a crazy dream. I had a dream that my key fob was broken, that I stepped on an Easter egg and found another one. Really? Where's my buttons at? I told my daughter to stop playing with my keys. What's this? A key fob. Does this go to my truck? Wow. Easter Bunny is awesome. Super weird. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be giving you a quick tip on how to fix broke key fob, and super cheap to do. Anyone can do it. You can do it. Your 5-year-old can do it. It's just a puzzle piece. So make sure when you replace this thing right here, make sure you tell the parts store that you just want the case, the internals, because they tried to charge me $69 for something that looks just like this.
I'm like, no, that's not what I want. It's not what I told you what I wanted. I told you what I wanted. I told you I wanted just a case.
Boom, just a case. $15, super cheap. This is easy to do. Like I said, like this video. If this brings you any kind of value at all, I hope it helps you. A lot of people wouldn't even know about that. Now this won't work for you if your motherboard is broken, because we need the motherboard in order to fix it, you know. So this will work, you know, like I said, if you're missing buttons or the key ring is broken. We're gonna be taking the internals out, the guts. We're gonna take the guts out and transfer them over to this. And yeah guys, just a case. Hope you liked the video, hope it helps you out. If it does, leave me a like, subscribe to my channel. And sorry if the video quality isn't the best. I am trying this POV. I hope you guys like it. If you do, let me know and I will start doing more stuff like this whenever I work on my car or whatever I may be doing. Let's go ahead and get to it, guys. You're gonna need your handy dandy Kershaw knife. I'm just gonna cut it open. Let it all slide out. Sweet. Ooh, I don't know what that was for. Guess we'll find out when we take the other one out. It's a pretty nice key fob. So what you want to do is, these buttons right here are really all you need if you want to keep your original key fob. You could just transfer them over. But I want the American flag because I'm a patriot. Just go ahead and put that back in there. Put the knife up before I cut myself. Alright guys, now put those aside. Now what we want to do is pull the key ring off this, or pull this off. Boom. It has a little, you can stick a screwdriver right in there or a knife to help pry it open. Just don't break your motherboard in the process. Here, let's use a key. Stick your key right there. Boom. It pops open. And then all you gotta do is take these out. Take your buttons off. And then you might wanna, if it's dirty, you might wanna clean it. You know, I'm just gonna use some spit. Alright guys, you just wanna take your motherboard out of your old one and slide it in there. Make sure it seats nicely. I believe it only goes in there one way. So then you want to take your back. I don't know if there's a difference. I don't see any difference in the back cases, so it should just go right on here. Alright guys, I guess there is a difference in these. I didn't notice right at first. If you see, this one has a little like little piece right there. If depending on the style you have, or I guess the year model of truck, that's probably why they put 2 backs in it, because this one doesn't have anything there, so this one will just easily snap on there. And yeah, it should work now. It's pretty nice, feels nice, looks nice. Put the old one back together. There's the old one. Nice. Alright guys, that's it. Go test it real fast. I'll show you guys that. And I may need to actually replace the battery in this, so it might not work, but we'll see. Alright guys, moment of truth. Look how nice that looks outside. American flag. Nice. We have a working key fob again. Anyways guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If it helps you out any, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great Easter. I'm gonna do my best to get this fully edited and put out tomorrow for you guys. So you guys take care.